Having just one backup is just a basic safety level of data protection. The primary backup may get destroyed together with production data, and you will have no backups from which you can restore data. To build a successful data protection and make sure your data does not lose or destroy due to any kind of disaster, it is recommended that you copy your backups to different locations. Firstly, install Vinchin in each location and do a local backup first. You got a backup file in your local backup storage. Then you copy the backup file to your remote location via internet. You got a remote copy of your backup file. When disaster happens to your local business system, you can restore the VM in the remote location to take over the business. You can also transfer the backup copies back to your primary location to recover if the business system is still there. If you have no any business system in offsite, don't worry. You can also copy the backup file to a remote storage like NAS for disaster recovery as well. To use Vinchin Backup Copy in remote location, you need to install another Vinchin Backup server at remote site and add a remote storage on that Vinchin Backup server as a remote copy storage.
Next, I will show you our backup copy feature. Before creating a backup copy feature, I need to go to the storage to add my storage to Vinchin as a copy storage. This process is the same as the backup storage. Only one difference is the storage object is need to choose the copy. Okay, let's go back to a backup copy feature and then create a backup copy job. In the first step, choose a target virtual machine and then click next to set the copy strategies. Copy as scheduled or copy at once. And then it's the time strategies to automate this job. It's pretty simple to understand, as you can see. Click next to go to advanced strategies. Here, choose on-site storage or off-site storage as the copy destination. And then it's the transformation network, data encryption or compressed transfer. And here is the retention policy. I'll click next. Then here, I can rename this copy job and confirm the configurations, submit. Now this copy job is created successfully. I can manually start this job. Then go to the job details page. I can know the progress of this job. It's very fast. Okay, now this copy job is already completed successfully. If I want to use the copied backups, I can use the copy restore feature to transfer them back to my local backup storage. Next, I will show you our copy restore feature and find the target virtual machine and click next and select our storage, click next and then set the transformation network and then confirm and rename, submit. This process is very simple. Okay, now copy restore job is already here and it's already started. Okay, now this job is completed successfully. We can go to the backup copy data to check. This is the restore point. And here is the copied restore point. And here, please note our copied backups is as same as the backups. For example, if there are 10 restore points in backup storage, then there will be 10 restore points in copy storage. And if newly added restore parent has now been copied, you will see an extra parent in the backup data menu, but there is no such parent in the backup copy data menu. That's the reason is the retention policy of the backup job has now been performed. So it's not a bug.